Bonjour everyone, I'm Rich Andrew Babaran.
And I'm Bea Ayan, and today we're taking you on a trip. No plane tickets, no visa, just an adventure into the heart of French culture.
We're talking about baguettes, art, fashion, music, history, and a lifestyle that's all about enjoying life with Joey DeVille, the joy of living.
Let's start with something beautiful, art and architecture. France is basically an open-air museum.
Ever heard of the Louvre? Of course you have. It's the world's largest museum and the home of the Mona Lisa. Tiny painting, big mystery.
And if that's not enough, there's the Eiffel Tower and the Notre Dame Cathedral. France has more iconic structures than a Marvel movie.
Your cities are like postcards. Every corner feels like a movie set. Let's be honest, when you think of France, you probably think of food.
And with good reason, baguette, croissant, macaroons, cheese, wine, crepes, France practically inverted delicious.
They even made snails like their mate. Escargot. Sounds fancy, tastes surprisingly okay.
But it's not just the food, it's the way they eat. Meals in France are slow, social, and sacred. Fast food, no. They savor every bite. Next stop, fashion.
Paris is the fashion capital of the world. Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, all born in France.
French fashion is all about being effortlessly elegant. Simple outfits, classic colors, no fishy logos, just timeless confidence.
Basically, they wake up looking like they're walking on the boat. Now, let's talk about values. The French have a national motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité.
Which is liberty, equality, and fraternity. They live in balance, work hard, but don't forget to live well. Family dinners, Sunday walks, long conversations, all part of daily life.
Even their coffee breaks have meaning. It's not about cafe, it's a moment to breathe.
The French love their celebration, one of the biggest, Bastille Day, every July 14. It's like their Independence Day, fireworks, music, and national pride.
They also have La Fête de la Musique, a huge music festival where the streets turn into one giant concert.
Even everyday life feels like a celebration. A good meal, a lovely view, a walk along the sea, it's all worth appreciating.
So what is French culture really about? It's art, it's food, and it's fashion. But more than that, it's a mindset.
It's about slowing down, savoring life, and living with style, heart, and joy. Merci beaucoup!
Thanks for joining us.
And remember to always add a little joy to your day.